Today, learn about questions, short answers and negative statements with Laura and Tom.
Did you watch the detective movie last Saturday?
No, I didn't. I didn't watch TV.
You already know from the simple present that you need a form of the verb to do to make a question or a negative statement. Here it is the form did, the simple past form. You make questions with did and infinitive. You can answer with no, I didn't or yes, I did, and you always put didn't in front of the verb in a negative sentence. Another example.
What did you do on Saturday?
I didn't do much. I only did my homework.
In this question, Tom uses did between the question word and the subject. Did in a question and didn't in a negative sentence help the infinitive, so please don't put the second verb in the simple past. Only do that in a positive sentence, like here, I only did my homework. Now you can have a look at all the rules again. If you want to, stop the video here, read everything again, or even write it down. Don't forget that the verb after did or didn't is always an infinitive and not the simple past.
Was the movie exciting?
Yes, it was, but it wasn't very funny.
For the verb to be, you always use was or wasn't and were or weren't in the simple past. You know from the simple present that the verb to be doesn't need help from the verb to do in a question or a negation. Another example without to do.
What happened? Who helped the detectives?
Laura, why did you not watch the movie yourself?
Do you know why Tom uses did in the question and Laura doesn't? Remember the simple present, it's the same rule. You have to look at the subject of the sentence. Where is it? In Tom's question, the subject is you. In Laura's questions, the subjects are what and who. And you know, when the question word is the subject of the sentence, you don't need did in the question. And that's it for today.
Goodbye for today. We hope you had fun learning about negations.
Questions and short answers in the past. See you next time!
If you still have problems with positive sentences in the simple past, then watch the video about the use and the forms of the simple past.